Hello, this is Yogeshkumar. I want to give you some information on Gujarat. If interested, then listen. Gujarat is fifth largest state of the country, area-wise. It is ninth largest state of the country, population-wise. 1600 kilometer longest coastline is situated on the western coastline of the country. One fourth of export has been done by Gujarat. One fourth of cotton is produced by Gujarat. One fourth of milk is produced by Gujarat. It is chemical hub. 27% of medicine is produced by Gujarat. The Dhirubhai Ambani Group, Adani Group, Patels are the businessmen. Vibrant Gujarat, led by Narendra Damodar Modi. His motto of Gujarat. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.